spectrum peaks somewhere around 1.5 electron volt below the Fermi energy. You don't see it very well here. Here the same thing is drawn, only this part expanded. If you put in 0.05 electron per titanium atom, which means if you have one electron at one titanium atom, the next electron is going to be 20 titaniums away. On an average, every 20 titanium has one electron. There's absolutely no way that electron correlation can play an important role here. And yet they found that there is a very small peak close to the Fermi energy, but an intense peak about 1.5 electron volt below the Fermi energy. If you do a band structure calculation, which you believe should capture the physics at this dilute limit correctly, you find that the band structure gives only one single peak at the Fermi energy and no peak at 1.5 electron volt below. Therefore, it shows that this is correlation-induced peak. This is what we popularly call the coherent peak, or the peak arising from the delocalized band-like electrons. And it shows that the correlated peak is much stronger than the coherent peak. On the other hand, I have already said that in this kind of dilute limit, you'd expect this feature not to be there at all, only this feature to be there. So here is a puzzle that could not be understood, and this paper in fact indeed says that we cannot understand this feature at all. And that is the time when we got interested in this problem, and we wanted to look at if this particular conflicting scenario of our expectation of small correlation or no correlation, but spectroscopy showing very strong correlation effect, if it is only specific to lanthanum doping in strontium titanate or any way of electron doping in strontium titanate. We looked at in 1993 strontium titanate doping oxygen valencies. This spectrum corresponds to strontium titanate. Actually, strontium titanate not exactly 3.0, but in the range of 2.995 were created to make it slightly metallic so that we have no problem of charging, etc. But those are technical aspects. And then two other delta values, one corresponding to 0.08, the other corresponding to 0.28. This is the part close to the Fermi energy only. Strontium titanate spectrum, Fermi energy, no states at the Fermi energy, as you expect it to be a band insulator. You put in some amount of electrons into the system, you find a feature goes right at the Fermi energy as you would expect, but also another feature goes at about 1.4 electron volt below the Fermi energy. You put in more number of electrons, you find this one doesn't grow so much, and huge, intense, incoherent or the correlation-induced peak goes up, just like in the case of lanthanum strontium titanate. All this is this small part is what we're looking at. So this is very similar to what has been seen in lanthanum strontium titanate, and we find that even for small doping, there seems to be correlation-induced effect. How do we try to understand it? We decided at this point to look at the unoccupied part. This is the occupied part of the spectrum. That is where how the electron states are distributed. We also looked at how the whole states are distributed, or the unoccupied part. This spectrum is due to strontium titanate, undoped material. This is the band structure calculation, taking into account matrix elements for strontium titanate. This being a band insulator, of course, you'd expect this to be very well described by band structure calculation, and indeed you find this feature here, this feature here. This feature does not reproduce itself well, but we know why and we know what the problem is. But those are technical aspects. If anybody wants to discuss, I can discuss separately. But let's look at this part, which is the interesting part. This comes from the fact that we make some linearization approximation that far away in energy we don't simulate very well. So this is indeed, as you would expect, described very well by band structure calculation. This is the electron doped system, which showed very strong correlation effect in the occupied part, in the photoemission part. In the unoccupied part, surprisingly enough, this peak is there, this peak is there. All that it seems is that